Hey, how's it going everybody? I'm here at my usual watch repair stall with Wilson, who's an expert with timepieces, to get some watch batteries replaced. His stand is on the sidewalk outside 7-Eleven across Pure Gold Supermarket in Agora, San Juan. I'm getting 6 batteries replaced, but I actually only brought 5 watches. I just so happen to have one watch that requires 2 batteries. His prices are pretty fair, 80 pesos a battery, that's around 1.5 US dollars. He also cleans the interior of the watch case. All these watches I brought this day are cheap watches I've had for decades. I just wanted to keep them ticking even if they're just junk toy watches. So when I saw I had some free time, I took them here for a watch battery replacement. I usually wear a smartwatch nowadays, not these analog quartz watches. I've done a mini interview with him some years back. I'll link to it in the description below. Please watch. His stall back then was more spacious. He had a seat behind the stand, but now that spot is taken up by these mannequins displaying clothes. I'm now gonna move to the other side of his stall for a different angle. You can find him right by the 7-Eleven. You can see the sign above his stall. He just finished with my mid-90s Toys R Us watch. The one he's picking up now is a freebie novelty watch from a Time magazine subscription from the early 2000s. This is the watch I mentioned earlier that requires 2 batteries because it has 2 separate dials for 2 separate time zones. You can see in the footage that there are 2 separate battery compartments. The loud engine sounds you're hearing are from tricycles. He winds the watches to the current time after he closes up the watch case. The fall leather straps of both this novelty Time magazine freebie watch and the mid-90s era Toys R Us watch earlier have both fallen off from age. I bought these striped aftermarket NATO straps you saw for them around 2013. This is another novelty watch from the late 90s. This is also an aftermarket strap. I actually bought this pink strap from Wilson also some years back. The original strap has also fallen off already from old age. This is a fun toy watch. It has no second hand. Instead, there's a transparent circular disc with the words, "Don't worry, be happy," that rotates. Wilson told me that it looks like this watch is still running because "Don't worry, be happy" is rotating. I told him that it's running a bit slow. He decides to use his voltmeter on it before switching out the battery. He then said, okay, the battery isn't dead, but it is low. I really appreciate that he took the time to test the battery instead of just switching it out. I paid him 480 pesos, that's under 10 US dollars when all 6 batteries of the 5 watches were done. After that, I went to buy some takeout lunch at a barbecue chicken place nearby. This is JT's Manukan on Granada Street. I ordered 1 barbecue chicken, 1 barbecue pork, and garlic rice. The total was around the price I paid for my watch battery replacement, a little under 500 pesos, around 10 US dollars. You can pause my video to study their menu. There was only one guy in front of me, but it took a while for me to get my order because there were many people who were ordering from GrabFood. For those of you who don't know, Grab is a Southeast Asian app that offers ride shares, online wallets, food deliveries, and also on-demand courier services. Well, I hope you found my little vlog entertaining. Thank you so much for watching. Please thumb it up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to be updated when I upload again. Don't forget to check the description below for the link to the videos I shot in 2015 and 2016 of Wilson's watch repair stall. Oh, and there are a lot of cool movie posters of Filipino films inside this JT's Manukan diner. See you next video!